We're back here with Club Mix and brought to you by Mixology Mixer, and today we're whipping up some of those ease into summer cocktails with our Golden June kit. So first thing I want to do, there's a lot of little hidden accoutrements. I want to walk us through all the ingredients you guys should have in your kit, because here we bring the bar home to you, so you should have everything you need. All you need is a little glassware and some ice. And then we're getting back into our golden heat cocktail with our lemon and our chili, passion fruit, and our pineapple. This is basically a summer whiskey sour, if you will. Very light, very easy to drink. So let's make one. So first things first, let's get back to our tin. We want to do the same thing as before and create a nice base. So I'm going to go back to my lemon juice. This time we're going to do more of a traditional method. When you're building cocktails, rule of thumb, 2-1-1, you're going to be in a good place. And this is what I mean by that. 1 ounce of acid, lemon, lime, something like that. Boom, we're in there. 1 ounce of our syrup. Pop this chili passion fruit. That's going to give us a nice little heat. Not too much though, and definitely those flavors of summer, that really bright citrus flavor. So we've done 1 lemon, now 1 passion fruit, and then we're going to put 2 ounces of our bourbon, Maker's Mark bourbon in today. So just like before, everybody's palate's slightly different. If you found your cocktail maybe too tart or too sweet last time, this is your opportunity to adjust it. I'm going to give it a quick little taste. Boom, boom. Nice, I love that tart element. Again, if you feel like you want a little bit more of that syrup, you can. Passion fruit in itself is inherently quite tart. But again, that's going to be perfect for me because I'm going to add a little bit of sweetness with our pineapple juice. So our next ingredient in our base, now we're making a 3-ingredient base, is going to be our pineapple juice. I'm going to give it a nice shake. And I'm going to add a little bit of, 1 ounce actually, of our pineapple juice to our base. Then I like to give it one more taste. This is our last chance to change anything before we add the good stuff. But I think now with that balance of pineapple and passion fruit, oh man, delicious. Anytime your base tastes really good and you're adding really good booze on top of it, you're gonna be in a good place. I'm gonna use my small side, but I'm gonna use it 2 times. So I need 2 ounces, and I'm simply gonna pour this in once, and then twice because I've been so good today. Boom. Now, next step, I'm actually going to be serving this cocktail in a coupe glass because I'm super fancy, but you could do it in a martini glass. But if you are serving up cocktails, they need to be nice and cold. This is meant to go down quickly. So same regimen as before. Let's get this thing full of ice. Just like that. And then let's shake it like we mean it. Shake it aggressively, get that tin nice and cold. Again, we want this kind of whiskey sour riff to be nice and refreshing. Perfect for summertime. Boom. Did my job right once again. My tin's wicked frosty. All those ingredients are incorporated, and it's also nice and cold, ready for me to drink, and that pineapple juice is going to get really frothy. Pineapple and passion fruit have been buddies for a long time. And that will come out in this overall cocktail. Oh man, it smells so good. Those fresh, ripe citrus notes from the pineapple and the passion fruit. It's gonna have just that really hint of underlying chili in there. Anytime, it already looks beautiful. It smells great again. But anytime you got a beautiful cocktail, it never hurts to have a beautiful garnish. So we dehydrated some pineapple for you. I love dehydrated fruit. It's really easy to make. Even easier to buy. It also keeps really well in an airtight container. And it's that perfect kind of ingredient. If you were making pictures of this and having people over, this is the kind of garnish you want. You can just leave them out and let people garnish at their leisure. Anyway, I want to make it really pretty. I'm simply going to set my beautiful pineapple right on top of my golden heat cocktail. Second cocktail of the day from our Golden June kit. And I can't wait to give it a try. I do want to give it a try. I can't stop looking at it. It's such a pretty cocktail. That being said, I know it's going to taste really good too. So cheers to our second cocktail of the day, our Golden Heat. So that's what I like to call slammable. It's delicious. It's not too sweet. It's not too tart. I get that little bit of chili from the syrup, and that pineapple comes really through. This is that perfect cocktail to make in large batches for your friends. Sure way to impress them.